All right, drink we're about to make is Charlie's Angel number 2. First thing we'll do is put our ice in a glass here. And we're going to measure out 1 shot of white creme de menthe. And grab some cream. We're going to do 2 shots of cream. There's 1 and 2. Now let's go ahead and mix these 2 ingredients together. You don't need to shake it. Just mix it back and forth here. We've got that nice cloudy color. Perfect for an angel. And let's go ahead and grab a glass. Set it up here. Pour it on in. And last thing we're going to do is float some spiced rum on top of the drink there. There we go. And give yourself a straw. And ideally, the way you're supposed to drink it is from the top. So the straw should do the trick there. Bottoms up.